Here we are at the Commercial Vehicle Show. It's 2019, and look, I mean, we've been fans of the Peugeot range for ages and the Peugeot Boxer van. However, this is a fully electric version. And if you just look at the stats here, you'll see it's got about 140 mile range, which is absolutely staggering for a van of this size. I mean, we've seen vans from Tesla, we've seen vans from Nissan, we've seen vans from Peugeot. But to see a full-size van, and the fact that this is the world premiere of this Boxer Electric, is something that, well, we've never witnessed before on a commercial van scale. The range is 100 to 140 miles, 62 mile an hour top speed. It's a 62 kilowatt motor. The power output's 96 horsepower, which is, you know, perfectly acceptable for a van. This exact model is called the Boxer Electric L1 H1 435 panel van. Now, the things that you'll be interested in are the weights, the load volumes, and payloads, that kind of thing. So, payload, excluding the driver, is 1,215 kilograms. The total load length of the floor is 2.67 meters, and the height is 1,662 millimeters, so just over 1.6 meters. And the total load volume is 8 meters cubed. I mean, move to electric. The Lion certainly does go from strength to strength.